Simple lesson today. Reward markers and the different types of markers I use. So there's going to be about 3 types of markers. The first is called a termination marker. Basically, all that is a word that represents the dog is going to get food or toy 100% of the time. And it's not a word that we say and then we give the dog a bunch of rewards. We do that for a period of time and then we just stop giving them rewards eventually. No, you don't have to reward the dog for every single thing they do, but you do have to reward the dog every single time you say your reward marker. So for Twiggy, her reward marker will be YES, and that means that I will reach into my pocket, I'll grab out some food, or I'll grab a toy, whatever reward. It's not a pat, it's a high value reward, so food or toy. If your dog doesn't like toy, it's food, vice versa, or it can be both for a dog like Twiggy, who is extremely motivated. So the process is such. Do not reach into your pocket as you say your reward marker, and the word doesn't matter. It just is the same word every single time. It can be balloon, it can be treat. It doesn't really matter what the reward marker is. You decide on the word. Words don't mean anything to dogs. But as soon as I say that marker word, it tells her she's done the right thing. She knows she's done the right thing because she's hearing the word that means, oh, I'm about to get a toy or I'm about to get some food. So it allows you to reward the dog instantaneously, but without having to actually give them the reward instantaneously. So there's this thing that people say where it's like, oh, quick, you've got to get the reward out. No. Scientifically, if we want to say that, we would reward 1.8 seconds after saying that marker word. Oi, twig, no. Oi, get out of there, you fucker. I'm going to have to hold her on a short leash. So when you're initially conditioning the word, you'd say it, you'd reach in, and then you'd feed, and that should be 1.8 seconds. But once the dog knows and is conditioned, that process is irrelevant, so we don't have to worry about that. So what you're going to do is, for example, yes. So see how she perks up, and now, bang, reward comes out and she can take it. So that means when she does a behavior, I say that marker word, she's like, sweet, I know what to do, I've done everything right, but it's a termination marker means it's also a release command. So if I go, Twiggy, sit, no, and then I go, yes, that means command is over. So it's called a termination marker because the command terminates, it's finished. She's done the exact right thing and it's over. Okay, so that's our first marker. Our second marker, and this is a little bit